Indulge your taste buds with the delectable delight of amazing food truck nachos. These mouth-watering nachos redefine the art of culinary satisfaction, delivering an explosion of flavors and textures in every bite. Crafted with the utmost care and creativity, these nachos take your ordinary food truck experience and elevate it to an extraordinary culinary adventure. Picture a generous bed of freshly made tortilla chips, each one meticulously selected for its perfect crispiness. The base alone sets the stage for a symphony of tastes to come. But what truly sets these nachos apart is the artful layering of ingredients. A rich blanket of melted cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese cascades over the chips, creating a gooey and savory foundation that serves as a canvas for the rest of the masterpiece. Now, imagine tender and succulent pulled pork, slow-cooked to perfection and infused with a harmonious blend of spices. This savory delight is generously scattered across the cheese-laden chips, imparting a smoky, tangy essence that marries flawlessly with the creamy cheese. But the flavor journey doesn't stop there. Diced, vibrant red onions and crisp jalapenos lend their zesty punch, adding a burst of freshness and just the right amount of heat to the ensemble. The toppings continue to tantalize as your taste buds uncover a shower of tangy, house-made barbecue sauce. Its sweet and tangy notes dance gracefully with the savory elements, offering a symphony of contrasting yet harmonious flavors. To complete this culinary masterpiece, fresh cilantro leaves are delicately scattered over the nachos, infusing a hint of herbal freshness that perfectly balances the richness of the dish. Every forkful becomes a celebration of textures, with the crispiness of the chips juxtaposed against the tender pork and the gooey cheese, creating a satisfying sensation that lingers long after the last bite. Whether you're enjoying them as a quick snack on the go or savoring them as a shared appetizer with friends, these amazing food truck nachos are a testament to the creativity and passion that go into crafting exceptional street food. Each ingredient is carefully selected and expertly combined to create a symphony of flavors that ignite your senses and leave you craving more. In the world of food trucks, where innovation and taste collide, these nachos stand as a shining example of what can be achieved when culinary artistry meets a love for great food. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that takes your taste buds to new heights and transforms your perception of traditional nachos. So, the next time you're in search of an unforgettable culinary adventure, seek out the amazing Food Truck Nachos, a masterpiece that redefines the nacho experience one chip at a time.